Arthur from Belgium installed side marker lights on his MX-5 NB2, but the car did not like it at all. When switching on the ignition, everything looked fine, but as soon as he started the car, it had a mind of its own. The odometer display blacked out, the coolant temperature gauge went to the max, and the rev counter needle did not move at all. He decided to ask for help on Facebook. Since I had also installed side marker lights on my MX-5 NB2 and managed to do that without any issues, I reached out to him to see if I could help. The symptoms were very specific and all visible in the instrument cluster. There may have been more issues, but at least these could not be overlooked. To check which wires you need for the side marker lights, we can use a wiring diagram. In this case, the wiring diagram for the external lamp circuit. So when we look at it in detail, we can see that we can kick off the process by switching the headlight switch. This line is grounded, and when you connect it to this light green wire, then this relay is triggered, making sure that power from this fuse will travel through the relay and through the taillight fuse to this red and black wire. This red and black wire is the feed for the parking lights and the side marker lights. So together with the black wire here that goes to ground, those are the ones we need for the side marker lights. Arthur has connected the side marker lights in parallel with the front park lights. These are part of the headlight assembly. To identify the root cause for the reported issues, I looked up the wiring diagram for the instrument cluster. Here we have the temperature gauge, which relies on this 12 volt line from pin 1C, and pin 1C is leading to the meter fuse. So the meter fuse is powering the entire instrument cluster, so also this temperature gauge. On the other side of the gauge, we see it relies on a signal from pin 2A, and pin 2A is the violet and white wire that comes from the engine coolant temperature sensor on the back of the engine. The third signal is this ground wire connected to pin 1N, and pin 1N is this black and blue wire that leads to a grounding point behind the left headlight. Then on this wire 1N, we also see the odometer and trip meter switch, which connects it to the microcomputer over here. The microcomputer also controls the tachometer. So all these three signals that we now see as having an issue rely on this wire at pin 1N. So we need to have a look at this black and blue wire that leads to the grounding point. There might be an issue here at the grounding point. It's very likely that there is a problem there because all of these signals have issues and they all rely on this single line. The instrument cluster uses a second ground wire, and that is this wire that is connected to pin 3J, a black wire that's leading to a grounding point behind the right headlight. So just to be sure, we also want to check if anything is going on with this grounding wire. My recommendation to Arthur was to check both grounding points underneath the headlights. Many systems of the car rely on the quality of these grounding points. Arthur already knew how to remove the bumper and headlights because the car has recently been repainted. Then he also mentioned that he had disconnected the ground points before painting and reinstalled them afterwards. Meanwhile, the behavior of the car had changed a bit. There was some life in the rev counter and the odometer, but now it also reported a check engine light. The new paint could easily have affected the quality of the ground connection. That changed the recommendation from checking these grounding points to making sure that a solid ground connection would be established. After a few days, Arthur had time to put in the required work and confirmed that the issues had disappeared, including the check engine light that was reported earlier. and it proves that wiring diagrams can be of great help when troubleshooting problems like these. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Don't hesitate to leave your questions and remarks in the comment section below. That's it for today. Thanks for watching MX5 Info, and until next time.